And first of all, welcome to everyone, all the coin lovers and coin overs. Welcome back. Okay, we are approaching the year end and we wanted to discuss what all we achieved in last 18 months. What is our roadmap going to be for next 1 year? Because there are a lot of interesting things coming up, and I would like to thank first of all everyone here. BitGo plays very important role in our complete ecosystem because securing your funds is the most important thing, and it's most responsible thing that we have. We need to secure users' fund and give them confidence that their money is safe here. Visa has a merchants of more than 40 million places because wherever Visa accepted, Coinovi Visa card will be accepted there. We're looking for a trusted and most futuristic KYC provider, and we all know Zoomio does. We are taking Zoomio services. Thank you, Zoomio. So that is where chain analysis came in. We'll definitely make our work easy to work with authorities. Thank you, chain analysis. And thank you, Chakriha team, being a very supportive. I know the kind of hard work you all put in. All Apple users can integrate our card to the Apple device and tap it anywhere, wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Strategic partners who all supported this from the very beginning, and we are adding more people to our strategic partners. We as a Coinovi family feel proud to associate with United Africa Blockchain Association. Thank you, UABA. They unconditionally supported and they wanted to be a part of us, and they wanted their users to use this product because they believe in it. Thank you, Kisa Kisa. Thank you, Bluebitech, for being on our strategic partner. Thank you, Coin Ranking and Martin, for being our strategic partners. Thank X-Private Chat Management again for being part of this and believing in Coinovi. And thank you, Finex, in trusting us and being a part of us. And thank you, Blockchain Army, for being part of Coinovi again. So thank you, Smashit. And they're our sale partner too. Prudent will manage all the sales related things of Coinovi. Thank you, Prudent, for being part of this. And I would like to thank everyone here today for that great support that you all gave us. Thank you, everyone. We will be listing with Uniswap, and we are also in talk with the Polygon team to make the transaction using the technology of Matic. And next, Buybox, it will be our centralized exchange partner based from Singapore. So it will be initiated in the first quarter. We'll be hiring a very good team for that, and they'll be communicating with the RuPay in the first quarter. So we want a partner and who is very strong in education and who can reach out to our masses. That is where the partnership with DCOM is very important for us in educating communities. And guys, we 99% completed. You can see the application in my phone, which is in the test. I'll show you even the functionalities where you can buy crypto using different cards. You can just add your card, bank cards, crypto, Visa, MasterCards, which is PSI compliances, regulated again. Just add the card and you can buy whichever currency. As of now, we listed 16 tokens, coins. You can buy any of the 16, whichever currency, like if you wanted to take Ethereum. Everything is custodian by BitGo. Your funds are safe here, okay? Even internal exchange is working and we tested it. And we have different tokens listed here, USDT here, XRP here as of now. In the initial round, we wanted to go with the limited ones. And all your profile updates, even card will be linked very soon. And you can see our Finex swap will be open soon. Guys, I wanted to tell you, just don't worry about the application. The product is ready. It's very key for us to launch it in the right time. And yeah, the first one, the app, the first version will be launched zonal wise before 15th of January. It might be before that as well. It might be a surprise to all of you. These are the few things. We are trying to get a BIS license from Singapore to make it easy for the Asian users. Okay, and then the payment service provider license this year, 2022, we are keen. We need to acquire this license, which is important for us, and this is important for us to own our own license, which will be in our second roadmap, which is 2022 roadmap. And the next big thing for user acquisition, T2C, token to Coinovi feature. The core skeleton of the product is almost ready, and our team is working tirelessly to bring it live end of the second quarter. And as I said already, we'll be approaching RuPay and hopefully we'll be closing the deal with them. And listing partners will be Uniswap, Buybox, Wazrex. We are also in talks with Hobby, but Hobby depends on completely how big our community is by the end of public sale. Okay, the product is ready. We'll be launching. Before the product, I believe the community is the most important, and I did my part, guys. Now it's in your hands. How fast you're going to build the community? I need at least 50,000 strong people. Can you all do that? Can you all do that for CoinOV? And last but not least, let's say goodbye to this year and welcome 2022 with a lot of positiveness, with an excitement. I'm excited here because we have a lot of works to do. And yes, I believe that you all will keep us active and energetic always. Thank you, guys. I'll take a leave.